Here we have a SAT math question. Okay, let's go the information. A right triangle has legs with lengths of 24 centimeters and 21 centimeters. If the length of this triangle's hypotenuse in centimeters can be written in the form 3 times square root of d, where d is an integer, what is the value of d? Okay, now first let me draw a right triangle. Okay, here I have drawn a right triangle. Okay, now let me mark the given lengths of the legs of the two right triangle. Okay, so in this right triangle, we have right angle over here, and the side which is opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse, and the remaining two sides are called legs. Okay, the length of the first leg is 24 centimeters, so let me mark 24 over here. The length of the second leg is 21 centimeter, and also the question says the length of the hypotenuse can be written in the form of 3 times square root of d. So the length of the hypotenuse is 3 times square root of d. Okay, so in a right triangle, we can use Pythagorean theorem. So Pythagorean theorem says the square of the hypotenuse equals to the sum of the squares of the lengths of other two legs. Okay, so now I'm going to square the hypotenuse, that is 3 times square root of d, the whole square. It must be equal to sum of the squares of the lengths of other two legs, that is 24 square positive 21 square. Okay, now in this equation we have to solve for d, because according to the question we have to find the value of d. Okay, here two quantities are multiplied and we have the common exponent. Whenever we have a common exponent for the product of two quantities, we can distribute the exponent to each quantity. So when I do so, I am getting 3 square times square root of d, the whole square. And when I evaluate this 24 square, that is 24 times 24, I am getting 576. And the evaluation of this 21 square is 441. So the evaluation of this 3 square is just 9. And this square root and square root cancelled, I am just getting 9d on the left side. On the right side, when I add 576 and 441, I am getting 1017. Okay, so my aim is to get the value of d, so I have to get rid of this 9 which is multiplied by d. So for that I divide both sides by 9. So this 9 will cancel out, and then d is equal to, when I divide 1017 by 9, I am getting 113. I have solved for d, that is I got the value of d. So the value of d is 113.